Guys, I have a shopping problem. Look at this. This is literally all stuff I ordered for the house. I don't even know what I ordered. Like, this is gonna be much as a surprise to you as it is to me. Literally just gonna like take a box, open it, and we'll find out what it is. Just took me like 20 minutes to find out where I want to sit because it's a mess in here and everywhere looks terrible. So yeah, I'm sitting in front of my ottoman, which is literally gigantic. I'm gonna put this disclaimer at the beginning. I know this might seem like a lot. It may be that, you know, I have a whole bunch of money and I'm so lucky, and like I'm so blessed to be able to buy this stuff. I have been saving up for buying stuff for this house for literally months. So a lot of this came from my savings, and I'm so happy and lucky to be able to afford these things. And I don't want to come off like I'm bragging or anything, but I know a lot of you guys like to watch these hauls. I love to watch these hauls to get ideas for new things to get. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I have a few items that I didn't order them. I actually picked them up in the store. So they're obviously not in a box, so I'll show you those first. First thing is this produce crisper. I've been seeing these forever, and I'm like, I'm not that bougie. I don't need something to hold my produce, but I guess I am that bougie. It says helps keep produce fresh longer. Keep air vent open to store fruits. Keep air vent closed to store vegetables. So, and you can label it with like a dry erase marker. So this is It's from the At Home store, and it was $6.99, and then I had a 15% off my entire purchase coupon. So I don't know what the math is for that, but good enough for me. I got 2 of them. So this is the other one, same price obviously, and then I had the 15% off coupon. So I also got this thing. I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna put it probably either on my ottoman or table whenever I get one. And it was on clearance. It was originally $24.99, and then it was 50% off, so it was like $12.50, which I thought was a pretty good price because it's pretty big, and I like the white and the blue because those are accent colors kind of in my living room, so I thought it was a good deal. I got this Cambridge cutting board. It's 11 by 14, and it's like a marble print. I have a purple and gray one already, but obviously my kitchen's not purple and gray or anything close to that, so that would look weird. This was $7.99, and then I had that 15% off coupon. This Cambridge cutlery set, I actually didn't purchase this. It was a gift from my grandma, and I love that it's 51 pieces. Even though it's just me, it was just me and my brother at the apartment, but I feel like we went through silverware so fast, and we always had to like clean more or run the dishwasher. So I'm glad to have extra, never hurts. And then it also comes with a serving fork and spoon. I think only one. Yeah, so there's one of each of these. So I don't even know how much this was. Obviously she took the price off, but I've had this for a while. She got it like when I first bought the house in September. And I'm so thankful to have it because these are really nice, and I really needed some new ones. Opening the first package of many packages. What is this? When did I order this? I don't even remember ordering this. Okay, anyway, this is a luxury polyester fiber filled pillow. I literally don't remember ordering this. I don't even know. Oh, this is apparently from Amazon. I swear to God I did not order this. Like, I knew this was gonna be a surprise, but not like I did order it a surprise, because I literally have no recollection of ordering this at all. But I mean, pillows are great. I'm gonna have to go back and like look at my purchases, because I swear to God I didn't order this. All right, box number 2. Oh yeah, I remember what this is. Okay, so this is from Amazon, I think? I don't know. The packaging's really good, by the way. I'll try and link everything down below for you guys, and I'll try and do it in the order that I'm actually saying it so you don't have to like hunt for it. So I got this 4-pack. I'm gonna pull them out in a second, but this 4-pack of like artificial plants, and they came in these white little cute vases. So this is one of them. I wanted to like focus. So cute and little with the rocks. This one, I'll pull up the price because I don't even remember how much this was. So I'll pull up the price in a second. This one. And this one. Alright, I found it on Amazon. If this is what you guys are looking for, again, I will link it down below. Everything that I got from everywhere, if I can find it online. These were $19.95, so about $5 a piece for each thing, or $20 for all 4. I think they're so cute. They're gonna look so cute around the house. So yes. All right, another box. I know what this one is actually. I've had this box for a while, waiting for everything else, so I know what this is. All right, I got this bowl set. I think this is from Wayfair. Let me check. These are like perfect for like cereal or soup, and like, so they have the colors on the outside, and then the insides have like designs on them. If I don't know the price right offhand, which I don't, I'll put it somewhere here on the screen if you guys want to check this out. Next up, we have some stuff I picked up recently from Meier. First off, we have this next fake plant, which is black, which is an accent color in my living room, so it was perfect. It was 50% off, so it was $7.50. I love Meier clearance. I just love Meier, period. I got this Halloween clearance item yesterday. It supposedly lights up, but it's dead. I don't know how much this was. I think it was like $7.50 as well. So I'll just stick this in my decor for next year. I got these cleaning gloves for the deep cleaning that I'm going to be doing in this house, guys. So if you're not subscribed already and you're really into deep cleaning, and I mean like serious deep cleaning, then definitely hit that subscribe button somewhere on the screen. These were on clearance. It says $4.24, but they ring up for $3.24, which is even better. And they have little paws on them. So cute. This purple little llama mug was a Halloween clearance because it has like skulls and a pumpkin on it, but obviously it can be used all year, and this was on clearance for $1.74. I got this 4-pack of light bulbs at Meier, and this was on clearance for $1.74 as well. Originally at like $7, I think. So I mean, who couldn't use extra light bulb? You guys, this next find I am so excited about. I love clearance shopping, if you guys don't know already. So when I came across these, I was just like literally jumping up in joy in the aisle. These are the C by GE brand full color smart bulbs. This is a 2-pack, so basically it changes colors. It's dimmable. You can set a schedule. You control away from the home, and you can control away or control with your voice. So it works with Alexa or Google Assistant. So originally, guys, these are $70 just for this box, and it was on clearance for $20. So I picked up 2 boxes, and I think I'm gonna put them. I have 6 lights in here. I just realized that. I thought I only had 4. Maybe I have to go back and get one. But I have some. I have lights, 6 lights in here. So maybe, I don't know, I'll figure out where to put these, but these will be so cool to use somewhere in the house. That's everything from Meier. Now moving on to Amazon. I got these pillowcase. Ooh, these are so soft. I haven't ever pulled them out. These are pillowcase covers for like accent pillows on the couch, and they're white and gold, which is the colors of my kitchen, and my kitchen like flows into my living room. So these will look so cute. I got this gold like bowl thing, and I'm gonna use it in the kitchen to store fruit. Next up are these metal organizing bins, and I think I'm gonna use these. So I'm gonna have like a junk drawer in my kitchen and use these for that. Sorry if you hear my dog walking. He's just, they are white and gold, and I got 2 packs of them just in case, you know, I have a lot of crap. So I got this gold kitchen organizer, and I've seen a lot of people use these to store like baking sheets and cooking sheets and stuff, and like their pots and pans. So I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to use it, but I'm definitely going to use it to organize something. This is a black and gold like cup thing, and I'm going to use it probably to store like pens and stuff. The last thing I got for now, not the last thing I got, is this scrub brush from Amazon. It has like this little spring thing in it to help keep like the soap and stuff. And it's just gonna sit over there by my sink, which I got my new sink in, guys. Oh, so beautiful. It's white with gold. It looks so great. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, my shirt is literally a mess. It has paint all over it. This is like my paint shirt, cleaning shirt. So I always wear it when I'm over here at the house. Just because I know I'm going to get comments like, why is your shirt so dirty? Like, that's why. Oh, I remember ordering this. It's a pill and vitamin organizer water bottle. I have the hardest time with like taking my medicine at the same time every day. So I thought this might help me. It is a water bottle with a pill organizer in it, guys. With all the days of the week. Isn't that so cool? I bought a shredder. Random purchase. But I've realized, like, I feel like it's so important to have a shredder because you get all these junk mail and like stuff you don't need anymore, but you don't want to just throw it away because like anyone can go through your mail or your trash. So I think it's important to have a shredder. All right, this next thing is from Kohl's, and it's a pack of kitchen towels. It's a 5-pack. It's the Celebrate Fall Together colors. So there's red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. I'm a kitchen towel snob. Like, I have way too many kitchen towels. I got this shower curtain. It's gray and white striped. I'm not going to pull it out right now, but obviously I'm going to be putting my bathroom together real soon, so you guys will see it. This is from Kohls, I believe. I also got this bathroom rug. It's the Madison Park brand from Kohls, and it's also white and gray. Actually, I think there's a 2-pack. Yes. I don't want to take these out of the thing yet because they're white, but I got a pack of white towels, hand towels, and washcloths. I think there's 2 of each in here. I'm not going to take these out either, but these are just some throw pillows with the black and white like checkered, and there's 2 in here. I got some more white washcloths, and then I got this gray and white patterned towel, bath towel. All right, guys, we're down to the final like 3 boxes. I got this little fall decor thing. It lights up. I don't know if it... Oh, there we go. Isn't that so cute? It's still fall, so I'm going to put it out for a little while before I do my winter decor. I know you guys, so many people have already done their Christmas decor. First of all, I don't even have Christmas decor. I need to go buy some, but I'm still going to put out like some fall, just a few fall things. And then probably after Thanksgiving, I'll do my Christmas stuff. I got this little fall wreath. I'm going to put this out too for like another month. So cute. I love it. So I ordered some stuff from Belk. They were having like a super awesome deal on a whole bunch of stuff. I don't remember. Okay, so this is a hand mixer, and this was only $10. I also got this personal blender. This was only $10. I think this is fine for me because I'm not making like a whole bunch of stuff, and I want to get a blender. So $10 for this little one is a great deal for me. But the best deal they had was on this robotic vacuum cleaner. I don't remember the exact price. I'll put it right here, but I want to say it was like $20. And okay, let me just show you guys first. So this is the mop, M-A-H-L, I don't know how to say that. Extra large robotic 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner with intelligent omnidirectional technology. It vacuums, sweeps, and mops. Oh, I didn't know it mops. That's awesome. But it doesn't have the best reviews. So I was like, you know what? I don't know. People were saying like, don't even, because you're going to return it. But for $20, if it only does one sweep, vacuum, mop, whatever, I'm good with it. Like, I'm going to have this running when I'm not home, and it can do the work for me. So, $20, and I think it was originally like over 100, I want to say, or like 100. I mean, I will take it, bro. Last but not least, well, kind of. Speaking of vacuums, I finally invested in a new vacuum. A big vacuum. Bigger. The Shark Rotator Pet Lift Away Advanced. I don't know. It's the Duo Queen Power Fins for pet hair, long hair. Yeah, I'm not gonna take it out of the box right now, but I just had to. I wanted a plug-in one because I like my Dyson. I love my Dyson, but it doesn't pick up as well as I'm thinking like this one's gonna pick up. And this one I really like because it's really good on hardwoods and carpet. My Dyson is not so good on my hardwood or laminate floors, so I'm gonna still keep it. I love my Dyson for like quick pickups, but this is gonna be if I'm gonna do like the whole house. All right, guys, that's everything that I got. Oh my gosh, that was way too much stuff. I'm literally exhausted from recording this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for so much more content, cleaning, organizing, just so much stuff. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week for a new video. Bye.